Let's mosey on into the kitchen and prepare this Southern comfort food in a healthier way. The ingredients needed to make the grits are 1 cup of quick cooking grits, but make sure they're labeled gluten-free, 4 cups of low-fat milk or a dairy-free alternative like almond milk, and then add salt to taste. Next, add 1 tablespoon of unsalted butter, but this is optional if you want added richness, and a 1/2 cup of grated sharp cheddar cheese, which is also optional for creaminess. To make the shrimp, you'll need 1 pound of fresh shrimp, peeled and deveined, and add 2 tablespoons olive oil and 2 cloves of garlic and 4 scallions finely sliced, but with the white and green parts separated. Grab 1 teaspoon smoked paprika and a 1/4 teaspoon of cayenne pepper and salt and pepper to taste. Begin with the grits. In a medium saucepan, bring the milk to a boil and add a pinch of salt. Whisk in the grits slowly and reduce the heat to low and cover. Stir occasionally until the grits have absorbed the liquid and are creamy. This should take about 5 to 7 minutes. Remove it from the heat and stir in the butter and cheddar cheese until they melt and blend smoothly. Set this aside and keep it covered to keep warm. Now for the shrimp, you will heat the olive oil over medium heat in a large skillet. Add the garlic and the white parts of the scallions. Sauté until they release a fragrant aroma, which should only take about a minute. Now increase the heat to medium-high and add the shrimp to the skillet and season with smoked paprika and the cayenne pepper. And don't forget the salt and pepper. Cook until the shrimp turn pink and opaque, which should take about 3 to 5 minutes. Remove from heat and stir in the green parts of the scallions for a fresh twist. To serve, spoon the creamy grits into bowls, top these with the sautéed shrimp and sprinkle with additional scallions or parsley for garnish if desired. Serve immediately for the best flavor and texture. Remember, you can make this dish even healthier by omitting the butter and cheese in the grits or using low-fat alternatives. You're also free to add vegetables like spinach or bell peppers to the shrimp mixture for extra nutrients. This gluten-free shrimp and grits recipe offers a lighter take on a beloved Southern dish, perfect for a comforting meal any time of the day. Subscribe to stay updated with the latest heartwarming recipes and daily doses of inspiration, ensuring you never miss out on the simple joys of life and eating with me.